What is up everyone, this is Team Nebulous channel, and in this video we are going to fix Samsung Galaxy A12 or M12 air or front speaker not working issue. So before starting video, if you are first time on the channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix Samsung Galaxy A12 or M12 air or front speaker not working problem, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. So first of all, simply just go to settings